mean, it's fine. We should follow the river.
Watch out. Thank you. Oh gosh. Made
We're
it.
here as well. Kind.
Go for a dip, Dad.
Should gone for dip.
Actually, sorry. Obviously, the temple now. Yes.
Oh gosh. Right, just keep them going.
Put that inside of mine, then you can grab it from.
good. I wonder if you could skip a half. You have. The next one, yeah. Might be just using tomatoes, isn't it?
Yeah, but good. With flavours and tomatoes.